Okay guys, let's hop right into this tutorial. Here I am showing you the individual plaits I did in the front. I did 11 on this side and 9 on the other side. Don't ask me why I didn't do 11 on both sides or 9 on both sides. This is just the way I ended up doing it, so let's roll with it. But honestly, it really doesn't matter how many individuals you put in the front. You could put as many as you want. I'm just particular sometimes, so I always like to do an even number. Okay, now on to the back. When I tell you these braids, it does not matter how they look. It does not matter. Just do how many braids that you want. I have 8 braids here, and I didn't even use any braiding gel. I just braided them back. And now using our crochet needle, I am going to just tuck the end tail of this braid a little aggressively, but yeah, just tuck the end part of this braid so it's out of your way when you go to crochet the hair in. So here is a close-up of the Locs. I got them from Amazon, and they give you 5 bundles of 24 inches and then 1 bundle of 16 inches. So you get 6 bundles total. Each bundle has about 12 Locs total in them, so you get a good amount of Locs for the price. And they are made to have like that beachy look, which I also love. The ends are a little loose, and they are just super cute. So now I'm just starting with the crochet in the back. Of course, the 24 inches are going in the back, and then I saved 1 pack of 24 inches for the front and also the pack of 16 inches for the front. So 4 packs of the 24 inches are going to go in the back of my head. And as I'm crocheting them, I'm leaving a good amount of space in between each Loc. These Locs are thick enough to where you don't have to have them so close together. You spread them out a little bit so that the back doesn't get too bulky looking. So I'm just crocheting braid by braid, and for some reason I started going from the top of the braid down to the bottom. I'm not sure why, it just made me feel better doing it that way. But yes, when I did this, it was so quick. Like, this process was so quick to do. The great thing about these Locs is that 1, they are quick and easy to do, and 2, they are crocheted onto the braid, so it's not pulling on the hair and it's not super tight. And also you get that flexibility day 1 of doing them, so you don't have to wait until they loosen up or anything like that. Once you put them in, you can pull them up in a ponytail or style them however you want to style them. Okay, so here I have 3 packs of the Locs in my hair. I have that 4th pack that I still have to put in. So I'm just going to use that pack to fill in these gaps that you see and to try to cover up my braids as much as possible. So after filling in most of the gaps, I just used the last few Locs in that 4th pack near the top of my head so that as they fall, they can further help camouflage the braids. So in the front, we are going to individually crochet these onto our plaits. And what that means is that you plait your hair into singles, and then you individually crochet 1 Loc onto 1 plait, as opposed to braiding your hair down and crocheting it onto the braid. Doing the individual crochet in the front gives this style more versatility. You could wear it up, you could wear it down, you can part it, and you won't see the braids. So I did the two bottom halves of the front side of my hair because I wanted to leave the top 12 for the 16-inch locks. So I just did the bottom half of the fronts just to make sure that I used the 24 inches there and that I left the 16 inches for the top. Okay, so now I'm going to just use these hair beads that I got from my local beauty supply, and I'm going to use them just to put a little decoration on the locks. I'm not going to use too many. I'm literally going to put them on like 3 locks. And how I'm putting them on is I'm just sliding it up the lock. I'm not using a rubber band. I'm not using any glue. I'm just pushing it as far up as possible. I rarely ever put jewelry on my locks, but since these are given like that beachy boho vibe, I figured it needed some jewelry to help dress it up and give it that look. And as I said before, I'm only going to put it on a few locks. Of course, you can put more on your locks if you wish to do so. I just wanted it on a few of mine. Okay, and here is the finished look. And when I say these were quick and easy, I mean quick and easy. This length is super cute. They are lightweight. They're flexible, and I think it took me only 2 hours total to complete this look. I didn't have to use a lot of product, and they are super affordable on Amazon. So I definitely will be wearing these again throughout the summer. But you guys, let me know what you think of this hairstyle, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.